Right, we're throwing the brick in Rosemary's washing machine and see what's gonna happen. Anyway, this washing machine smells of alcohol. I don't know why it smells of alcohol. Why does it run away in silver dish? Okay. 3, 2, 1. Ha ha ha. Oh, phew. Wow, well. I tell you a thing, that's a strong machine. That's a strong washing machine, that. Strong, eh? Ah! That's from my tumble dryer. Did it hurt me? Fuck me, it did. Right, throw baking. I just realised I've got the blender joint. See if it makes any difference. Throw the baking. Yeah. Alright. Looks like we're getting some. See when they dried into it. Oh my god. See how where's my. There's something rubber in this washing machine. Hold on. Is that right? Yeah. This washing machine is sharp edges, so have to be careful when you destroy one of them washing machines. Yeah, I think that's sharp for this. No, they're not. I think I might. Oh my god, that. This tumbler's raining. So rip this off now. Oh my god! Wow, it's hard. It's very hard, that. Give it a yank. Little French boy, dog. Okay, so I don't understand this washing machine. Okay, I understand it, but I doubt it's gonna be so hard to whip. So there we go. That's what we've done so far. We tilt it. Ah, broken now. Hopefully, alright guys, I ripped off the Dorsey almost, but I gave up seats. Okay, ready, 3. Oh my gosh, oh, the door seal. It just came off. How this happened and how did this happen? We're at the top panel, control panel, at the top panel, the PCB and the front panel cable. It looks like it stayed in the one washing machine. It didn't go, it's like it's almost stayed in one piece, this washing machine. Yeah, that's a strong washing machine. Three, two. Yeah.